Place Queen of Light stencil around the eyes and fill it in with the H2O-proof black liquid liner. Fill in between the lines of the stencil with the pink shade from the Neon paint palette. Then add the glitter gel in the shade Fab-Boo-Lous on top of the butterfly wings. Apply the eye gems in the Evil Goddess gem mask above and beside the wings. Place small butterfly stencils around the face and fill in with the blue shade from the Neon paint palette. Top off the blue with the glitter gel in the shade Fab-Boo-Lous. Apply supernatural false lashes to the lash line. For a mystical look, apply the Bedeviled MegaLast matte lipstick in teal to the lips. Complete the look with the iridescent face gems from the Evil Goddess gem face mask below the eyes.
Be aware, don't mean to be hanging on the what ain't even there. Ghosts of our past keep on coming up for air, baby.